Could a nation's fate hinge on the fate of one man? Set your clocks back to the 5th of August, 2023, when Pakistan's political landscape was rocked by the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan on corruption charges. This was not a common occurrence, but the culmination of a series of events that began in 2018. Imran Khan, the leader of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party and a former cricketer turned politician, was accused of unlawfully selling state gifts during his tenure as Prime Minister from 2018 to 2022. This was a serious charge that carried significant implications not just for Khan but for the entire nation. Upon his conviction, Khan was sentenced to 3 years in jail, a verdict that sent shockwaves through the nation and beyond. But his troubles didn't end there. As a result of his conviction, Khan was also barred from contesting elections for the next 5 years, a restriction that could reshape the political landscape of Pakistan, which is due to hold a general election in the coming months. However, the wheels of justice continued to turn. Fast forward to today, the 29th of August, when a high court in Pakistan made a groundbreaking decision. The court suspended Khan's conviction and ordered his release on bail, according to his lawyers. Yet the question remains, will he walk out of jail today? In summary, the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, was convicted on corruption charges and sentenced to 3 years in jail. His conviction also resulted in a 5-year ban on contesting elections. However, a high court has now suspended his conviction and ordered his release on bail. The impact of these events on the upcoming general elections in Pakistan remains to be seen. As we watch the events unfold, we are reminded that in the world of politics, nothing is ever certain.